Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are brand new, thank you so much for stopping by. My name is Rosanny. By the title you can tell, this is going to be like a classic IG Baddie kind of eyeshadow tutorial. We are using the Life's a Drag palette, sticking to just the neutrals. My eyelids are already primed using the P. Louise eyeshadow base. You could use concealer, and then I'm just using the shade Sickening, which is a really beautiful transition shade to just have and serve as the background color. Alright, so moving on to the Morphe 3503 palette, specifically for these two shades. They're a little bit more warm toned, and that's exactly what I was going for. And this is being applied with a smaller tapered brush straight into my crease. And this right here is just a clean fluffy brush to blend out any harsh edges. It's always good to keep one handsy when you're doing any type of eyeshadow look. Again, just to blend any harsh edges or if like anything is looking messy. And this is strictly going into the crease. With this smaller brush, I'm applying the black eyeshadow. You don't want to apply like all shadows and then use a black. I don't know, I just find that it's like very messy. So this brush right here is for the brown, and then that more warm toned brown, which is appearing like a berry, kind of like cranberry burgundy, really pretty shade. But yeah, when you do the black, you want to use a smaller brush, and this is in the outer V. We're keeping this very low. This is a gold eyeshadow from MAC. The formula is very comparable to their Dazzle shadows. This was just a formula from like a holiday collection a couple years ago, but you can still find the same exact thing. It's just going to be called Dazzle shadow, like the formula. So that's why I applied on my lid, and you want to use a small brush for that to kind of cut your crease. Now this is a little brush, and I'm using the same shades that I used in my crease, but I'm just applying them more precisely. This way the gold can have a beautiful contrast with the rest of the shadows. You will also notice that this kind of formula of eyeshadow is best applied with your finger, but it's nice to have a flat shader brush like this to kind of get the shape that you want, and then you're gonna see me use my finger to really press it in. See right here. So right here, I was measuring my lashes. You see that extraness that like hangs? If I were to apply my lashes without measuring them, it would just be a mess. Like it would poke me. So just remember to always measure your lashes, and it should not extend crazy from like the outer of your eye, if that makes sense. Always trim from the outer. You know, everyone's eye shape is different. So when you get your lashes, just make sure to measure them. And right here, I'm showing y'all my signature winged eyeliner. This is exactly how I do it. Sometimes it's thicker, sometimes it's thinner, depending on my mood. But this is exactly how I do it. And Brush Black from MAC, in black obviously, is the best, hands down, the best liquid eyeliner. Prove me wrong. This does not get dry on you. It is amazing. And if you do feel like it gets dry, put the cap on and shake it. Please be careful if you are going to apply your lashes with a tweezer. If you've never done this before, just please be careful and like do it at your own risk. You want to kind of be a little more experienced if you are going to use a tweezer. It just helps me get it more precise, but There are such things as eyelash applicators which don't have the pointy edges, so just please be careful. I didn't show the part where I do my entire lip combo on camera, but don't worry, I am going to include all of the lip products in the description bar below. So if you're curious of like what liner, what lipstick, what gloss, don't worry, just check right down below. Alright you guys, and just like that, we are all done. I do apologize if I sounded a little bit low energy in this voiceover, TMI, but I am on my time of the month, so yeah. But I appreciate you all so much. If you stuck around until the end, please do subscribe, give me a thumbs up, comment down below, and stay on the lookout because I am gonna have more videos coming out and they won't be voiceovers. But yeah, thank you all so much for watching. And just really quick little segue, I can do a video on how I do my baby hairs if you guys are interested, so just comment down below. I will see you all in my next one. Bye guys, stay safe.